Let's draw a house.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. And before we begin, I wanna give a shout out to Addison for today's drawing idea. We're gonna begin today's drawing by drawing a square in the center of our paper. A square has 4 sides, so we are going to draw 4 lines that connect together. Now that we have a square in the center of our paper, let's start off by drawing the door on our house. This door is going to look like a rectangle with a little dot in the middle for our doorknob. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again. For our next step, we are going to add windows to our house. We're going to add these windows by adding another square. Let's draw our square right here. And then I like to give my windows a little more detail by adding lines down the center of each window. So we're gonna add a line that goes down like this, and then another line that goes across like this. This makes window panes on the inside of our window. And then we're just gonna repeat the process, going to the other side of our house, and let's add another square. So remember, a square has 4 sides. So we're gonna add our 4 sides, and then we're gonna add our window panes again. You guys are doing an amazing job keeping up with this drawing. Now that we have the bottom of our house, I think it's time to add a roof to the house. We're gonna add a roof by drawing a very simple triangle today. Now, a triangle is a shape that has 3 sides and it comes to a point, just like this. So we're gonna add a line that goes up, and we're gonna add another line to meet that line. I'll give you guys a chance to add yours in. Now we get to add in some fun details. I'm going to add some bushes to the front of my house, and I'm gonna add them on each side of my door. This is how I like to draw bushes. I like to make them look like they are fluffy and big. You know what would be really cool? Adding a tree to the front of our house. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like to draw my trees. So I first start by drawing a line coming up from the ground. And this is gonna be the trunk of my tree. Then I like to make my trees look really big and really fluffy. So I add lines with lots of curves in them. Once I finish the top part of my tree, I come back down and I finish the trunk. Right now, I think the tree looks a little boring. So what if we added a tire swing to our tree? I'm gonna draw a branch coming off the trunk of our tree. Then I'm gonna add a line coming down and a circle shape for our tire swing. And if you want, you can add a couple more branches coming out of the trunk of your tree. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding color. But first, while you guys finish up your drawing, I'm gonna tell you about the word of the day. Today's word is comfort. Comfort is when you feel happy and safe, like when you're snuggling up with your favorite stuffed animal. I wanna know what makes you guys feel comfort. I feel comfort when I have a nice warm hug. Now, let's color in our drawing. You guys can get really creative with today's house because a house can literally be any color you want it to be. I'm gonna pick a really happy color today, so I'm gonna do some yellow. And I'm gonna start by filling in the main part of our house with lots and lots of yellow. Have you ever noticed that houses are made of different materials? Maybe you've seen a brick house, or maybe you've seen a log cabin. They all have different materials on the outside. Today, we're just doing a really simple, basic house, but the next time you draw one, how about you experiment with a different material on the outside? That could be a lot of fun. I'm gonna fill in the windows on our house with a light blue color, since windows reflect the sky. After that, I'm gonna go in with some red and fill in the front door to my house. You guys are doing great today. Next, I'm gonna color in the bushes on the front of my house, and I'm gonna make them a bright green color. So I'm gonna take that same green color and I'm gonna use it over on the tree as well, right on the top. For the base of our tree, I'm gonna make mine brown. So I'm gonna go in with a brown color right on the trunk. The only thing we have left is the roof of our house. So I'm gonna take that same red color that I used and I'm gonna fill in the top of my house. I had so much fun drawing this house with you guys today. You did an awesome job. I can't wait to see what kind of houses you draw next. Today's featured artist is Lucy. Wow, look at all of her drawings that she has here. I love her pig and her castle and her ice cream cone. Great work, Lucy. Keep it up. If you want to be our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination. So keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.